Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable structured data for FAQs on websites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable structured data for FAQs on your website, begin by understanding what structured data is. Structured data helps search engines better interpret the content on your site. Next, determine if your website uses a content management system, such as WordPress or Joomla. If you're using WordPress, you can simplify the process by utilizing a plugin. Install an SEO plugin that supports structured data. Popular options include Yoast SEO and Rank Math. Once the plugin is activated, look for the section dedicated to structured data or select the option to add FAQ schema. If your site is custom built, you will need to manually add the structured data code. Visit schema.org for the FAQs schema details. Copy the example code provided for FAQs and customize it with your questions and answers. Make sure your questions are clearly phrased and your answers are concise. Use the JSON LD format, which is recommended by Google. After customizing the code, add it to the header section of your HTML. If you prefer to add it via a CMS, find the relevant feature to input custom scripts. Once the structured data is in place, validate it using Google's Rich Results Test tool. Enter the URL of your page or the code you implemented. Check for any errors that might prevent the FAQ from displaying correctly. Correct any issues identified during the validation process. Once validation is successful, publish or update your website to make the changes live. Monitor your site's performance in Google Search Console to track any improvements. Keep your FAQ page updated with new questions and answers regularly. Overall, enabling structured data for FAQs can enhance your website's visibility in search results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.